Are you looking for a free mining website? So you are the right place. Here is the GPTplanet.com Earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join. It's absolutely free. Feel free to join Planet. Members from all countries are allowed. Registration at Planet is absolutely free. At GP Planet, you can earn by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisements, referring new members, and completing offers. Once you've identified a platform, you'll need to sign up for an account. The registration process usually involves providing some basic information, such as your name, email address, and sometimes demographic details. It's important to use accurate information during the registration process to ensure a smooth experience and to qualify for relevant. GPTplanet.com is a website that falls under the category of pay-to-click (PTC) platforms. These platforms allow users to earn money by viewing advertisements and participating in surveys or other tasks. While I can provide some general information about PTC websites and surveys, it's important to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when engaging with any specific platform. Offers users the opportunity to earn money by clicking on ads. The process typically involves creating an account, logging in, and browsing through the available advertisements. Each ad has a specific duration, and users are required to view the ad. Here's the you need to log in this website. The ads displayed on these platforms are usually sponsored by advertisers who are looking to promote their products or services. Advertisers pay the PTC website to display their ads, and a portion of that payment is then shared with the users. Earnings for each ad view are generally small, ranging from a fraction of a cent to a few cents. Here is use any security question check you decided you question and answer. GPTplanet.com may offer other earning opportunities such as completing surveys, participating in offer walls, or signing up for trial offers. These additional tasks often pay higher amounts compared to ad views, but may require more time and effort. After creating your account, you can log into the platform and explore the available options for watching ads. These platforms often have dedicated to paid advertisements. In this section, you'll find a list of ads that you can watch to earn money. It's important to note that the earnings from PTC websites, including GPTplanet.com, are usually modest. While it's possible to accumulate earnings over time, it's unrealistic to expect substantial income solely from these platforms. This is the best way to earn more money. The amount of money you can earn will depend on factors such as the availability of ads, the number of tasks you complete, and the payout rates offered by the platform. Quick Fusion Survey, Finance Survey, Security Survey, and Get More Task is available here. You can much more earn from this website. GPTplanet.com and similar PTC websites provide users with opportunities to earn money by viewing ads and completing tasks. While it's possible to earn some income from these platforms, the earnings are generally modest and require consistent effort over time. It's crucial to approach these websites with realistic expectations, research their legitimacy, and exercise caution when sharing personal information. Making money online has become increasingly popular and accessible in recent years. There are numerous legitimate ways to generate income using the internet. Here are some popular methods to make money online. While watching ads for money can be a legitimate way to earn income online, it's crucial to approach it with realistic expectations. The earnings from watching ads alone may not be substantial, and it may take time to accumulate a significant amount. However, if you're consistent and dedicated, the earnings can add up over time. Here's the minimum withdrawal is $1. Earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join.